In this Python turtle tutorial, we will create the turtle food collector game. Each time the turtle collects food, the score will increase by 1. Additionally, the turtle can move around within a limited area. If it hits the corners, the game will end. Let's build this game step by step together. First, import the turtle library. Let's start by creating a screen. I will set the screen title, color and size. To prevent screen from closing, I will use the main loop function. Now we have a screen setup. You can change the screen's color or title if you want. Next, let's display the score on the screen. You can hide the turtle using the hide turtle function. I will use the right function to display the score on the screen. The score has been added to the screen. Now let's add the turtle object to the screen. I will set the shape and color of the turtle object. A green turtle has been added to the screen. Next, I will create the food. The food will appear in different random places each time. I can use the random function to achieve this. Each time the game starts, the food will be placed in a new spot. Let's make the turtle change its direction using arrow keys. I will define functions for up, down, left and right. Since these functions are not called when the arrow keys are pressed, the turtle can't move yet. I can do this using the listen and on key functions. Now I can move the turtle left, right, up and down using the arrow keys. I need a while loop that runs infinitely with true. The turtle will move 20 units forward continuously at regular intervals. If the turtle is less than 20 units away from food, the score will increase by 1. The food will randomly appear in any location. If the turtle goes out of the game area, the game will end. The screen will continuously update it. You can use the sleep function to slow down or speed up the game. Since I am using a while loop, I no longer need the main loop function. The game works just as I want. However, the turtle's movement is not smooth. In the turtle module, screen updates are automatic by default. That means the screen is updated immediately after each movement. But if you want to create an animation and not update the screen after every step, you can control the updates manually using the tracer method. I will set the tracer value to 0. This will make the game run much smoother. If you are not familiar with the turtle library, you can follow this playlist to learn more.